Yeah, we're out in Brooklyn, right here in Park Slope. We holla at Miss Scott and then Miss Watson. Our teachers are the best, can't compare to the rest. We are the future, making it happen. PS10 rocks, we're always on the top. Learn new things every day, and we won't stop. This school is so nice, like sugar and spice. Yeah, we're priceless, everybody wants a slice. PTA and fundraisers, love when parents get involved. Our recess and lunch, love our school very much. Here we dream big, no one can stop us. We've got confidence, no one can touch us. Came here for grammar school, math, science, lunch, or read. Feeling like champions, here students all succeed. Prepared for middle schools, armed with the proper tools. Feeling confident, we're smart, and we're on the move. In PS10, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in PS10. This school will make you feel brand new. Teachers will inspire you. Let's hear it for PS10, PS10, PS10. Get up each morning, ready to start the day, hanging with our homies, learning how to work and play. Down in the schoolyard, right after eating lunch, kick it with my classmates, liking it a whole bunch. Back in the classroom, time to use our brains, light up academics. We're gonna make it rain, math, science, reading. Don't forget the history. These are our subjects and our philosophy. Our school is dynamite. The staff is so cool. This Scott's our principal, enforcing the golden rule. This God inspires us, teaches us to behave, building our morals. We are the next wave, keeping our school safe, giving opportunities. She's always there for us with possibilities. Now we are stronger, ready to face the world, raising our voices, every single boy and girl. In PS10, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in PS10. This school will make you feel brand new. Teachers will inspire you. Let's hear it for PS10, PS10, PS10. Our school's untouchable, especially on holidays. Rocking the season, we know how to celebrate. The students light up, the staff and teachers too. We feel the spirit filling us through and through. The snow is falling, puffy coats come out. We got to bundle up, that's what the season is about. Throwing snowballs, sledding in the new snow. Holiday concerts just like this show. Smiling faces, filling the hallways. We're all connected, loving the holidays. Classroom is bouncing, we're all excited, cause it's a party and we're all invited. Just look around you, all this diversity. So many holidays sharing the city. So many cultures, so many backgrounds. We represent the world as it goes round. In PS10.